Did you know hosting a dinner party does not have to be expensive? Here are 3 economical ways to host your next dinner party. Number 1, make sure you know your guest count. If you know who's in the room, this is a super easy way to make sure you stay under budget. Number 2, when it comes to planning your menu, keep in mind you want to keep it simple and you want to keep it seasonal. The reason being is because you can pass on those savings and you can host a beautiful economical dinner party. Number 3, you want to buy in bulk. Sometimes the prepackaged stuff, it looks really good in the store. And yes, it is going to save you a little bit of time, but it's not so good on your pockets. So what I typically do, let's say that I want to make salmon for a dinner party and I only have 5 guests. I'm not going to purchase an actual prepackaged salmon. I'll get a whole salmon from my fishmonger and ask them to portion and to cut it. And so then I can put whatever I don't need inside of the freezer for a later time, and I can use exactly what I do need for my dinner party. All right, guys. So I hope this helped. If you need any other information on how to host your next infused dinner party, make sure you click that link below and subscribe to greenpantherchef.com. All right, guys, I am your girl, Chef Jazz, and I'll see you soon.